Are you confused about if you need to make estimated tax payments? Or maybe you're curious about what the penalties are if you fail to pay them? If either of these questions went through your mind, this video is for you. Also, if you're looking to learn how to move towards tax free living, click the link down in the description to sign up for my tax free tax tactics talk that's coming up. If you've ever wondered how to lower your tax bill legally, this is the webinar for you. See you there. Hey there, tax warriors. Welcome to JDB Tax. I'm Bryan, enrolled agent, tax strategist, but I call myself a taxtician, a tax tactician leveraging the tax code to build your financial fortress. With this segment of Tax Tactics, we're tackling a topic that dives into the world of estimated tax payments. What are they? Who needs to pay them? And how you make sure you're covered. If you earn income outside of a regular paycheck, this is crucial info you don't want to miss. And also, if you'd like to see more tax content like this, hit the like, comment down below. Taxes must be paid as you earn or receive income throughout the year, either through withholding or estimated tax payments. If the amount of income tax withheld from your salary or pension isn't enough, or if you receive other income like interest, dividends, alimony, self-employment income, capital gains, or prizes, you may need to make estimated tax payments. Estimated tax is used to cover not only income tax, but also other taxes such as self-employment tax and alternative minimum tax. If you don't pay enough tax through withholding and estimated tax payments, you could face a penalty. This penalty also applies if your estimated tax payments are late, even if you end up getting a refund when you file your tax return. So, who has to pay estimated taxes? Individuals, including sole proprietors, partners, and S corporation shareholders, generally need to make estimated tax payments if they expect to owe $1,000 or more when their return is filed. Corporations must make estimated tax payments if they expect to owe $500 or more. You may need to pay estimated tax for the current year if your tax was more than zero in the prior year. If you receive salaries and wages, you can avoid paying estimated tax by asking your employer to withhold more from your earnings. File a new Form W-4 with your employer to adjust your withholding. You don't have to pay estimated tax if you meet all three of these conditions. First, you had no tax liability for the prior year. And two, you were a U.S. citizen or a resident alien for the whole year. And three, your prior tax year covered a 12-month period. Now, when do you have to pay these estimated taxes? The year is divided into 4 payment periods, each with a specific due date. If you don't pay enough by each due date, you may be charged a penalty. Even if you get a refund later, you can mail your estimated tax payments with Form 1040-ES or pay online, by phone, or using the IRS To Go app. The Electronic Federal Tax Payment System, EFTPS, is actually the easiest way for individuals and businesses to pay federal taxes. You can even make weekly, biweekly, or monthly payments if that's easier, as long as you've paid enough by the end of the quarter. If you didn't pay enough tax throughout the year, you may have to pay a penalty. Now, generally, you can avoid this penalty if you owe less than $1,000 after subtracting withholdings and credits, or if you paid at least 90% of the current year's tax or 100% of the prior year's tax, whichever smaller. Also, note that special rules apply for like farmers, fishermen, and certain higher income taxpayers. But the penalty may be waived for unusual circumstances like disasters or if you retired or became disabled during the year. So there you have it. Estimated tax payments are crucial for staying compliant and avoiding penalties. Make sure to stay on top of your payments and adjust as needed throughout the year. If it sounds confusing, consult your tax professional. And just like the IRS wants you to make estimated payments throughout the year, it's best to tax plan throughout the year to save big come tax time and lower estimated tax payments all at the same time. That's why I always recommend having a tax strategist on your team. JDB Tax Strategy helps business owners legally save money on taxes without fear of the IRS by leveraging the tax code to the fullest extent. After booking a consultation call with us at jdbtax.com, we'll build a personalized battle plan to minimize your tax burden and maximize your wealth. So, subscribe, hit that notification bell, click all to join me on this conquest to conquer taxes and claim your financial throne. Post tax tactics every Tuesday and Thursday. See you next time, tax warriors.